A neti pot is a small container designed to rinse your nasal passages. It is typically made from materials like ceramic, plastic, or metal, and is used to help clear out the nasal passages by flushing them with a saline solution. It looks like a small teapot with a long spout. This unique design allows the saline solution to flow smoothly into one nostril and out the other, effectively cleaning the nasal passages. You use it to flush out mucus and irritants from your nose. This can be particularly helpful during allergy season or when you have a cold, as it helps to remove allergens, dust, and other particles that can cause congestion. This process is called nasal irrigation. Nasal irrigation can provide relief from symptoms such as a stuffy nose, sinus pressure, and even headaches caused by sinus issues. Neti pots have been used for centuries in India as a natural remedy for nasal congestion. The practice, known as jala neti, is part of the traditional Indian system of medicine called Ayurveda. They are now becoming popular worldwide as a safe and effective way to relieve sinus problems. Many people find that regular use of a neti pot helps to maintain clear nasal passages and reduce the frequency of sinus infections. Neti pots are readily available at most drugstores and health food stores. You can also find them online, often accompanied by pre-measured packets of saline solution to make the process even easier. They are an inexpensive and easy-to-use tool for improving your respiratory health. With regular use, many people experience fewer sinus issues and an overall improvement in their breathing and quality of life. Nasal irrigation using a neti pot can provide relief from various sinus issues. It helps to flush out excess mucus, allergens, irritants, and bacteria trapped in your nasal passages. This can be particularly beneficial during allergy season or when you have a cold. Regularly rinsing your nasal passages can reduce congestion, inflammation, and pressure in the sinuses. Many people find that using a neti pot improves their sense of smell and taste. It can also reduce the need for over-the-counter decongestants, which can have side effects. Neti pots are available in various materials, including ceramic, plastic, and stainless steel. Ceramic neti pots are traditional and often preferred for their durability. Plastic neti pots are lightweight and budget-friendly. Stainless steel neti pots are durable and easy to sterilize. Choose a neti pot that is comfortable to hold and has a spout that fits comfortably in your nostril. Ensure the neti pot is made from BPA-free materials for safety. Using the correct saline solution is crucial for safe and effective nasal irrigation. Never use plain water, as it can irritate your nasal passages. To prepare your saline solution, mix 1/4 teaspoon of non-iodized salt with 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in 8 ounces of lukewarm distilled or boiled water. You can also purchase pre-made saline packets designed for neti pots. Ensure the salt and baking soda are fully dissolved before using the solution. Use lukewarm water, as hot or cold water can be uncomfortable. All right. Let's walk through the step-by-step guide on how to use a neti pot. This simple yet effective tool can help you clear your nasal passages and breathe easier. First, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Clean hands are crucial to prevent any germs or bacteria from entering your nasal passages. This is super important to ensure cleanliness. Make sure to scrub all parts of your hands, including between your fingers and under your nails, for at least 20 seconds. Next, fill your neti pot with the prepared saline solution. You can either buy a pre-made saline solution or make your own by mixing distilled water with non-iodized salt. Now, lean over a sink, tilting your head to one side. This position helps the saline solution flow smoothly through your nasal passages. Gently insert the spout of the neti pot into your upper nostril. Make sure the spout fits snugly to prevent any leakage. Remember to breathe through your mouth and slowly pour the saline solution into your nostril. Breathing through your mouth ensures that the solution doesn't go down your throat. The solution will flow through your nasal passages and out the other nostril. This process helps to flush out mucus, allergens, and other debris. After that, repeat the process on the other side by tilting your head in the opposite direction. This ensures that both nasal passages are thoroughly cleaned. Finally, gently blow your nose to remove any remaining solution. Be careful not to blow too hard, as this can irritate your nasal passages. And there you have it. Using a Neti Pot can be a refreshing way to maintain nasal hygiene and improve your breathing. Enjoy the feeling of clear, clean sinuses. Section 6. Potential health benefits. Using a Neti Pot regularly can provide numerous health benefits, particularly for those who suffer from reduces inflammation and flushes out mucus, relieving sinus pressure and congestion. Removes allergens like pollen and dust, providing relief from allergy symptoms. Thins mucus and helps to clear nasal passages, easing breathing difficulties. Moisturizes and soothes irritated nasal passages, improving overall comfort. Can help to reduce snoring by clearing nasal congestion. Section 7. Precautions and side effects. When using a Neti Pot, it's important to be aware of both the benefits and the potential risks involved. This section will guide you through the necessary precautions and possible side effects to ensure safe and effective use. While generally safe for most individuals, using a Neti Pot can have potential side effects, including nasal irritation, nosebleeds, and even ear infections. These side effects can occur due to improper usage or incorrect preparation of the saline solution. Nasal irritation is one of the most common side effects. This can occur if the saline solution is not mixed correctly or if plain water is used instead of distilled or boiled water. The saline solution should mimic the body's natural fluids to avoid discomfort. Using a Neti Pot too frequently or forcefully can irritate the delicate nasal lining, leading to nosebleeds. It's recommended to use the Neti Pot no more than once a day, and to be gentle during the process to prevent any damage to the nasal tissues. Another potential risk is ear infections. If the saline solution is not drained properly, it can increase the risk of ear infections. Ensuring that all the solution is expelled from the nasal passages can help mitigate this risk. To prepare your saline solution, always use distilled or boiled water. Tap water can contain impurities and microorganisms that may not be safe for nasal irrigation. Boiling the water and allowing it to cool to a lukewarm temperature ensures that it is safe to use. Avoid using a Neti Pot if you have a cold or sinus infection that completely blocks your nasal passages. Using a Neti Pot under these conditions can cause more harm than good, potentially pushing the infection deeper into the sinuses or causing additional irritation. Always consult with a healthcare professional if you are unsure about using a Neti Pot, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are experiencing severe symptoms. Section 8. Conclusion. Breathe easy with the Neti Pot. The Neti Pot is a simple yet effective tool for maintaining nasal hygiene and relieving sinus problems. Regular use can provide relief from congestion, allergies, and other respiratory issues. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can safely and effectively incorporate the Neti Pot into your daily routine. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider if you have any concerns or pre-existing medical conditions. Breathe easy and enjoy the benefits of clear sinuses. Section 9. Frequently asked questions. A. You can safely use a Neti Pot once or twice a day, especially during allergy season or when experiencing sinus congestion. A. Yes. Using a Neti Pot during pregnancy is generally safe. However, it's always best to consult with your doctor before using any new remedies. A. Wash your Neti Pot with warm, soapy water after each use. You can also sterilize it by boiling it for a few minutes or using a dishwasher if dishwasher safe.